Good morning everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged EV from sunny hot Australia. Look at this weather. Look at this weather. Pure sunshine. Just the blue sky. Okay, there's one cloud. There's one. But you know, it's nice and warm. It's end of April. We've got pure sunshine. We've got nice weather. 26 degrees already. Perfect day for doing something. Why is there shit on the lens all the time? Am I spitting when I talk or what? I got my old garden shirt on already with the stains on it. Not because I'm going to do some garden work today, but we are going to do some work on the car. Does anyone want to help? Hi kitty. Hey kitty. Hey kitty. Wo ist denn dein Ball? Oh. Yes, the dogs have to... Come on, adjust. Adjust. There we go. The dogs have to wait. Because today I would like to finally install the PHEV box in my Outlander. I've got all my camera gear here already. I have the light set up and charged because it will be dark where we have to go. Guys, I hope you're not expecting such an intro for every video now, because this was insane. This was a 7-hour filming plus a 10-hour editing just for this one video. I won't do this again for some time. The old box have to make room for the new PHEV box. Oh, some ash from the fallout. We're just having a quick look at the installation manual again. Okay, I'm not. You know, I always try things first and see how we go, and if I need help I can always look up in the manual how everything works out. Holy shit. Now we can't leave it like this. These two hooks are a very important detail when you fit your floor mat in the car. It prevents the carpet protector to slip under your brake pedal. So always make sure you hook up the floor mat into these two hooks. Just another pro tip from Andy's garage. So we now have a very clean area where we can work in. And probably the first thing we want to do is remove the OBD2 adapter for the PHEV watchdog. And then we have a closer look. So, brake pedal, gas pedal, and all the way up the gas pedal there, that's where the plug is. To get there we have to remove this cover up here. There are 4 pins actually. There's one here, one is over there, and one is on this side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. One is down there. So to remove these pins you take a flat screwdriver and you just pop the middle part a little bit down, and then you can remove the pin. So it looks like this, and you can reuse them later on, of course, so I don't lose them. Again, here's our pin. Flat screwdriver and pull. Very easy to do. And the last one here, which doesn't want to play the game, of course. There's always one. Okay, it's gone. That's probably what this hole is for. So now we can remove this cover. Ah, shit. Just want to show you, there's a 5th pin up here. It does not want to come off. There we go. So now we can remove the cover. In theory. Okay, so we've got our gas pedal here, the brake pedal, and this is the steering wheel column. So when you turn your steering wheel, you can probably see this turning. Yeah, that's the steering wheel. And right where your gas pedal is, at the very top, see, there it is. That's the cable. Okay, let me see if I can capture this on camera here. That's where the plug is. You have to press. Oh, shitty. That's where the cable is. Can't really. You want to press this little button here at the plug, and damn it, I had it off. I had the cable off already. Pressed the little pin and pulled it, and it came off straight away. And I didn't have the camera on, so I put it back on to film everything, and now it won't come off anymore. It won't come off. That is insane. It can't be that hard. It is this part of the plug. It is this part of the plug. So you press this one down and then pull. But I can't even press this one down anymore for some reason. Just doesn't come off. What the heck? I had it off already. Ah, freaking hell. What the heck is going on here? Okay. Let's try some tools, huh? Where's my chainsaw, actually? So that's how it is in there. You press the little button here, release, clip, and then pull. And that's what I've done before, and it worked. And now I put it back on to turn on the camera. It just won't come off. I just can't get it apart anymore. I don't know what it is. It just won't come off. Somehow it's jammed, I don't know why. I don't know. I can't get it off. End of the video. 0 out of 10. What a bullshit. It should come off easily. Shit.
11 minutes later.
There we go. Okay. A little bit of force, huh? So you want to push the button on the side and then lift up the plug. Very easy to do if it works. Okay, so next step, yellow to yellow. This is female and male. It goes together very nicely, huh? Click. And this one goes on top. This one goes on top of the switch. Click. And the red connector obviously plugs into the PHEV box. Click. And then you use the cable ties to tie everything up, and don't bother with that. because it's just a temporary setup for me anyway. So I'm hiding the cables behind here a little bit. Alright, so make sure nothing is blocked, especially with your brake pedal. Okay, so that's how it looks like in my car at the moment. I've got the PHEV box behind the cover here, got the wiring, and it's just a temporary setup anyway. I don't bother putting this cover back in at the moment and the pins, so I leave them all here in Andy's garage. And the next part of the installation will be the ice heater stop installation, the little probe which goes in this little yeah, and they are saying the probe goes into the second and third from the top. So let's see how this works. Get some lighting here. 1, 2, second and third. Alright. They say press firm. I do press firm. I'm sure I'm pressing firm now. I don't want to be firmer than this. Does it go in an angle or what? Second slot, second and third. And that's the right way around, yeah, because of the shape of the part. It says be patient. I don't want to break this shit, really. It's not gonna go in any further. Second slot. It doesn't go any further in than this. It's definitely the right way around. If I put it this way, yeah, the shape would not fit. No, it doesn't go any further than this. I tried different angles. Push it to the left a little bit, to the right, more to the middle, just a little bit to the left, to the right, but no, it's not going any further than this. I don't want to break it. No idea why this one doesn't fit. Has anyone installed this successfully in a right-hand drive car? Definitely does not go in any further than this. Okay guys, let me know if you have successfully installed this ice heater stop.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
See, the shape looks alright. It has the same curve as the cockpit, but it just does not go further in. Okay, I don't bother anymore with this one because I can't test it anyway. We've got 26 degrees outside, so I can't really test the ice heater stop anyway. I doubt we will get under 10 degrees in the morning in the next 2 weeks when I have this installed and testing the PHEV box. So I'm not bothering putting this one in, but if someone can let me know how to install this one properly, does it need to be in an angle a little bit, and because it doesn't go in all the way, so I'm not sure. Maybe there's something behind the cockpit which blocks it, which is not normal, or there's something wrong with the probe. I have no idea. Let me know in the comments below if you have installed this successfully and how to install it. There's no video on their website. It's only mentioned in the manual. Yeah, let's have a look at them. Yeah, see, that's where it goes in. Second and third hole of the internal temperature sensor. See picture located at the side of the steering wheel. Please install it firmly and with care. Okay, I've tried. So, and then the black wire connects to the other black wire of the harness. Yeah, not sure. It doesn't go in all the way, so it doesn't look like as the one on the picture here. It stands out about 5-6 millimeters, I would say. And I don't want to be too firm with the installation, so I'm not sure how this all works. Okay guys, so far this little installation video of the PHEV box. It's a short video, isn't it? Because the installation is very quick. And other people are correct when they're saying it takes about 10 minutes to install the PHEV box. It really takes only 10 minutes. I'm not 100% sure about the ice heater stop probe installation. It didn't work for me, but I don't know. I don't want to break anything, and I can't really test it anyway, so I'm not really too bothered about this. If you leave a comment down below how this installation worked for you, and if it just fits in, maybe there's something wrong with a little probe, with a plastic or whatever, or there's something wrong with my car, maybe there's a cable behind it in the way or something like this, I have no idea. Okay, so far I'll give this I'll give the installation a 9 out of 10. It's really easy to do, and it takes only 10 minutes. Okay, let me be more precise. The installation of the PHEV box gets an 8 out of 10. The installation of the ice heater gets a... I mean, it failed. It failed. I don't know, I can't find any more instructions than on their website at the moment. So this is only... I don't know, it totally failed. How many points do you get when you fail? So the installation of the PHEV box is very easy to do. You take out these 4 pins, five pins, take out the cover underneath the steering wheel, unplug the cable from the accelerator pedal connector, put the supplied wiring harness in between, and put the PHEV box on the other side. Mount everything with the cable ties underneath so it's neat and tidy. The cover back on, push all the pins back in, and you're done. That's literally a 10-minute job. And as always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. This is Andy and Keddy from Unplugged EV Australia signing off. You stay charged and balanced. See you in the next video. Bye. Wait. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for the giveaway. The link is down below in the description. Click on the link, sign up with your email address and your name, and share, subscribe, and like, share and subscribe after you're logged in to increase your chances to win this PHEV box. And by the way guys, this box is not only for the older PHEV models, you can also use it for the newer ones. Of course the newer models of PHEV, they have their own EV button, but you still will improve your fuel efficiency, and you also will benefit from the ice heater stop. And this awesome giveaway is organized and sponsored by Evolution Australia. So thanks guys.